How to fix YouTube app loading page problem. So if you want to fix your YouTube app loading page problem, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So just go with your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with your YouTube, tap and hold on to your YouTube application, go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to remove that and then you need to open up your Play Store. And on your Play Store, you need to search for YouTube. Once you've searched here, you may have any updates under your YouTube. So you just need simply go and update the YouTube application. Once you've updated, you just need simply restart your device, press and hold on to that power button and restart. And after restarting, your YouTube problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.